Today we are looking at the iClever BTH22s. These are some kids' headphones. My little brother likes these headphones and he said they're really comfortable. What do you think of the headphones?
Very good. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Very good.
Very good.
Goody, goody.
So before we start, let's have a look around the box. This is comfortable, microphone, foldable and durable. We have some specs on the back. Pause if you want to read them. So it comes with two cords. We have a USB to Type-C charging cable and we have a 3.5mm audio cable. We have the user manual. iClever make different types of headphones which are more fun and enjoyable for the kids. Check the links out in the description box down below. Information regarding the headphones. These headphones have 10 headband adjustment levels. They have rotating ear cups which turn to 110 degrees. It has soft protein leather which is comfortable for the kids. On the right ear cup we have some buttons here. We have the volume up button, a power on off button which can also be used as a multifunction button. We have a volume down button. We have a light indicator here, a 3.5mm audio output port, the Type-C charging port and a microphone. iClever say these headphones have safe volume protection feature. This limits volume below 85 decibels and 74 decibels, making it greater for little ears. It also has enhanced durability, which basically means it's made from stronger plastics and has soft protein leather, making it more durable and comfortable for the kids. These headphones do take around 2.5 hours to fully charge. You get a runtime of 60 hours depending on how loud you have the volume. A Bluetooth 5.4 for faster connectivity, and they do have good range. My brother leaves his tablet in one room and he's wandering around in other rooms and he doesn't lose connection thanks to Bluetooth 5.4. They weigh around 0.3 pounds, so the kids won't feel pressure on their heads. 40mm drivers. The audio quality is really good. My brother hasn't complained once. I had a listen myself and for the price I was impressed with how good the sound quality was. My little brother loves these. If you want to pick these up, link will be in the description box down below, and like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.